This is bad, bad. Welcome back to my channel. This is On It on Everything. And remember, this is a place where you can find a little bit of everything. So usually you see me posting lots of recipes. You guys know I love to cook, but today I am going to be doing a product review, okay? And when I decided to buy what's in this box, I didn't think about making a video of it, but when it arrived, I thought to myself, this is something definitely worth sharing. The product that is in this box can only be used by a woman. So this is not something for the man. This is for ladies only, okay? So I am just gonna open this up. This is from the Honey Pot Company, which is a company that offers all feminine products, and they're like all natural and organic and like supposed to be all good for us. So this is how it comes in a box. It comes in this packaging, and it says the Honey Pot Company Menstrual, as you can see here, and menstrual cup, wear for up to 12 hours. It's no plastic, no latex, and contains no phthalates. There's one cup in this box, and the cup comes in different sizes. There's a size 1 or size 2. So size 1 is for women between ages of 19 to 30 with the medium flow. And size 2 is for women over 30 or post-baby with a heavy flow. So you choose the best fit for your body, and when in doubt, they say choose size 1. So I have 2 children, and I am over 30, so I have size 2. I'm very, very curious about this. What prompted me to even try a menstrual cup was maybe about a year or so ago, I moved away from using tampons, and I just exclusively used pads, and like I felt better, and I have been using it for so long. I just wanted to like do away with them and do something different. So I was on Facebook one day, and it came across my timeline as a sponsor ad, and I seriously was just like, okay, I'm gonna order a menstrual cup. I got online, I did a little bit of research. I saw that there were some other companies, but the ad did come up exactly for this one from Honey Pot. But before I made the purchase, I just wanted to be sure like that this would be the right one. So actually there's a YouTube video and that you can do like a quiz that will tell you like which menstrual cup best suits you. So when I did that, I didn't get the Honey Pot cup, but I just love their ads and everything their company stood for. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to give them a try, and we're just going to see how this go, okay? So let's talk about me telling my friends that I was considering this. So let me start off by saying that I have the best girlfriends. My girlfriends are my sisters. These are my girls. I can talk to them about any and everything. We are no holds bars. I'm telling you, any topic, subject, problem, issue we have discussed. But believe it or not, at least to my recollection, this was the first time we were going to discuss menstrual cup. So I ended up texting 2 of my best friends, and it was just one night, and like I said, I had randomly kind of like placed this order. So I texted them, and I was like, I did a thing. And they text back like, okay girl, what was your thing you did? And I was like, I ordered a menstrual cup. And I got like a little pause before I got a response, but I immediately got like, tampons all the way. Yep, I use tampons. So my one girlfriend said that she uses organic tampons. And then my other girlfriend was like, I don't know about a menstrual cup because I just don't like the idea of putting something foreign in my body. And I'm thinking to myself, girl, what you think a tampon is? So, you know, that's neither here nor there. But, you know, they're supportive. They're like, girl, whatever you want to do, we gonna roll with it, but we gonna still use these tampons over here. So that was after my last menstrual cycle. So I had placed the order and I was just like, I hope it come before I start my next period because like I'm excited, right? So one of the things that I need to tell you guys before we go any further is that she, as in me, I specialize in vaginas, okay? I am a registered nurse. I've been a nurse for 15 years and I work in women's health. I work with OBGYN patients, infertility patients, you name it. I've done it. Anything below the belt, you cannot tell me nothing about a vagina. So that's what made me so curious to give this a try. So I'm looking at this and we're going to open this up and play around with it. And of course, wash it after we play around with it. But I mean, I love their packaging. It's so cute. Can you guys see this? It is, you know, aesthetically pleasing. It shows you the cup size. It tells you how to use it on the back. It shows you a diagram of the cup here. So, you know, I'm gonna give Honey Pot a try. All right. So let's just open this up. I can tell you one thing, ain't nobody else open up this box because it's hard as hell to get into. So, all right. Uh-oh. I want to drop it on the floor. What is this? Is a little carry-on bag for it? All right, so it just pops out like this. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, so this is a menstrual cup. So at first hand, it's really soft and like squeezy. Doesn't smell like anything. It's just silicone. What I assume from my own knowledge is that you insert this way and this is what you're going to use to pull it out. And there's some little holes on the side here, which that will be the air holes. I'm not sure what they, you know, what purpose they serve, but I will learn and I will get back to you all and let you know. So before I use this, which like I said, it's not time for me to use it yet. So this video will be a pause and come back. But I'm going to sterilize it. And it looks like for sterilization, the first time you use it, you boil it and then let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes, remove and completely cool before you use this. We don't want to put a hot boiling menstrual cup in our vagina. So I think this is so cute. So it's like, I guess when it's clean and you're not using it, it's like a little storage bag. Is that so adorable? Okay, Honey Pot Company, come through. You can pack it up in your carry-on, you know. I like it. Oh, wait, it's something else here. So, this is Honey Pot Company. There's another picture of the cup. And there's, oh. Okay. So this actually has like very, very detailed instructions on how to insert it. So you can see that here. And I'll share links with you guys from Honey Pot Company. And like I said, let me say this first and foremost. This is like, I don't know, I just started my YouTube channel. So you guys know I don't got no ad contracts or nothing. I don't got no, you know, none of them little campaigns or whatever. So this is not a paid ad. This is just me giving my review of what I, as on it, on everything, thinks about the menstrual cup. So I'll use it and I'll come back to you guys about it. Thanks.